Okay, students, I request you to look into your English language reader. Lesson number 10, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Page number 20. Now it's saying, let's get started. Read this conversation between Minnie and her mother. The conversation is between Minnie and her mother. Let's see how they are conversing with each other. Minnie, I made a new friend. His name is Harry. Now, Minnie is telling that she has made a new friend and the name of the friend is Harry. Harry is in my class. Harry likes to play cricket. Now, Harry is in Minnie's class and Harry likes to play cricket. Mother, why are you saying the name Harry twice? Now, Minnie is telling her mother that why is she repeating Harry, Harry every now and then? Let me correct it and say it for you. Now she is correcting her mother and telling her how to say it. You should say, he is in my class. He likes to play cricket. Now hear the words, he is come over here. Can you see over here? So we don't use Harry, Harry each time. In place of that we are using the word he. Now write the word which Minnie's mother used instead of Harry. So Minnie's mother in place of Harry, she has used the word he. Is that clear, children? Now let's look over here. We use words like I, we, you, he, she, it and they in place of naming words. We use them when we talk about the same person or thing many times. When we are talking, like here in this example you have seen here, Harry, Harry, many times it was used. So we use the word he if it is a boy and she if it is in a place of a girl. Clear? We use them when we talk about the same person or thing many times. It is being talked about the same person like Harry. Now, some children are playing in the park. Read the following sentences to know what they are talking about. Now, this is a park and some children are playing over here. We have to read the sentences and we have to see what they are talking about. Like it's given over here, look at the bird. It has such colorful wings. Can you see it is used? If it is like look at the bird. Birds have colorful wings. We don't use birds, so it is come it. Raman is upset with you. He will not play with you. The word he is come in place of Raman. Okay? Hey, stop. You run too fast. Now here you is come in place of hey. Okay? We like to come to this park. Here we is used. Okay? Oh look, she is running after a butterfly. Now here she is used because it is confirmed that the girl is running after the butterfly. Clear? Now I have already explained you the use of these words. Now I'll explain it with the help of an example over here, children. I is used when you talk about oneself. Like example, I am a girl. It is talking only about a particular person, girl, oneself. We is used when we talk about others including oneself. Now for example, we are going to the park. So in that you are also included. You are going with your friends to the park. So we. You is used for the person or place one is talking to. Like Sunita, do you like mangoes? Okay. Like Sunita is liking mangoes. Next, he is used for a boy or a man. He, I have already explained you and you also know that he is used for a boy or a man. My father works in a hospital. He is working in the hospital. Now in the hospital he can be anything. Okay. He is a doctor. Now what is your father? He is a doctor. So you have not used father every time. So you have used he. Next is here. She is used for a girl or woman. My mother is a teacher. She teaches in the school. Is that clear? It is used for an animal or thing. It is used for an animal or thing. Like, look at the sky. It is blue in color. The color of the sky is blue. Clear? Next is they. They is used when there are many people or thing. When there are many people or thing, we use the word they. Rohan and Mohan are best friends. They both are best friends. They play together because two friends they are. Is that clear, children? I am sure that you have understood the lesson thoroughly. I want you all to read it once. Is that clear? That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.